Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by
namhlanje yazini mfana thinga bandlululu bekungadlala ibhakane bekudlala national team yabo kodwa ithi ngibuyisa ingqondo ukuthi yabona lento le yokuthi khona bebadubi bafana hayi benenza mistake lela khehla siya believe thina lela khehla silithande lithethe usumbokazi salithanda sadalo baba laba bade thina sounthwara thina sobani abe bayenza bebanzi nonsense sithini uyabona mfethu manje njengoba sila besizovalela isibafana official iyahamba iyosimela ku CAF Sithibos angeke ngize ngi-align abafana bambodwa ngizoshaya isquad as the whole. Today I'm not here for angithi ngibona ngifundele sisakudala ukubabonisa ukuthi ngi all crop ukubonisa ukuthi yabona njengoba ngiyisithibos hayi mfana Hugo Bruce ukushela inhlanhla angithi uye wabhayiziseka lapha kuma semi-final kuloko ubuya nayo masukara siyaku World Cup ngakhona Thibo ku World Cup askapara Thibo mara manje mfethu kanti singanokwa eli kanjani unama play Pirate Town siwayima bazothi ngepolitiki yabona bathi ngiyayisiya kodwa iqiniso liyafuneka Sithibos yazi asikhonana ngokubonana last week bongekho ngishayile iGNU mfana ngihlabile iGNU
weshaya ngenkazi weshaya kanjani nje hey mafethu Athenga kubona ye. Thank you chairman.
Before ngihamba Bafethu before ngihamba kuwo wonke ama supporters the whole 16 teams Merry Christmas ne New Year mfethu ne nani Sithibo thina sinjenje kungenxa yeni bafethu ana nani nginifisela inhlanhla ku 2026 ngicela ukuthi niphakame bafethu mina I will support you still ngifuna ukubona ntwana soshama esikhele
Thank you chairman. Angibonge kakhulu chairman.